Hi guys, today I want to show you one common Excel function error equal hash error. So when hash errors happens, there are two possibilities that you need to check. So first one is the column is not wide enough. So I have a data in cell D5. When my mouse moves to the cells, I can see the date, but it shows hash error. So for the columns contain date, just simply double click the columns to make the columns wider if you want to adjust the column. If you don't want to adjust the columns, you can go to you can click that cell and go to Home, Alliances, and Setting for that, and click Shrink to Fit, and click OK. And the content will shrink to fit these cells. The other way is to change the format to short date. So format, and right now that's long date format. You can change that to short date. So how about the cells contain numbers and it's too long and it shows hash error? And we do the same. If you want to adjust the columns, you can double click to make the cell wider. And the seconds, you can do the same thing. You go to Home and adjust the alignment settings. And here is a shortcut key called Ctrl+1. Sorry, I need to click the number first. And shortcut key is Ctrl+1 to bring out the format cells functions. Then click Shrink to Fit and OK. And the third also is about formatting the cell. So for this one, we can decrease the decimal to make it fit these cells. So that's the first reasons you encountered the hash errors, because the columns isn't wide enough. Let's take a look at the second reasons. The second reasons make the cells have hash error is because the negative days or times. What does that mean? If I have two cells, it contains 27th April 2024, and the other one is 13th March and 2024. And in cell D5, I want to count the day difference, and I use the smaller day to minus the biggest one, which is E3 minus D3. Then, because the difference is minus 45, and Excel cannot calculate that, so you will have hash error. So how we deal with that? Here is another format. If you want to calculate the time difference, which is negative, there's a function called days, and the syntax is put the first day in front and the next day at back. So for example, I want to calculate March 13th first, which is E3, then 27th of April, which is D3, and you will get minus 45. So conclusions, there are two reasons to make your Excel have hash errors. One is the column isn't wide enough, and the other one is because there's a negative days or times. And hope you guys enjoy the tips today. See you guys next time.